Alright, let's lock down your Linux server using a simple flow show, do verify. I'll keep commands generic and call out Debian Ubuntu versus rel Fedora, where it matters. Step 1. Patch the box. Outdated software is an open door. Do Debian Ubuntu, sudo apt update and a sudo apt upgrade bunja. Sudo RHELLLH Fedora, sudo DNF upgrade bunja Y. Verify, LSB release, A. Verify, cat O etc. OS release. Verify, grep upgrade, var r log dpkg.log, verify, sudo DNF history. Step 2, ditch root logins. Use a non-root sudo user. Do Debian Ubuntu, sudo aduser. Do rel sudo aduser, sudo password. Do Debian Ubuntu, sudo usermod ag sudo. Do rel sudo usermod ag wheel. Verify su, verify sudo v to confirm sudo works. Step 3, SSH keys, not passwords. Do, on your laptop, SSH keygin, t ed25519. Do, SSH copy ID a server. Do, edit, etc. SSH SSHD config. Set permit root login no. Do, set password authentication no. Do, optionally change port 22. Do, sudo system ctl restart sshd. Verify, open a new terminal. SSH, PI server. Verify, Woami should return your user. Verify, if that works, you're safe to close the old session. Step 4, firewall on, default deny. Do, Debian Ubuntu, sudo apt install UFW. Y. Do, sudo UFW default deny incoming. Do, sudo UFW default allow outgoing. Do, sudo UFW allow GUIT to. Do, sudo UFW enable. Do, rel Fedora, sudo DNF install firewall. Wow, do, sudo system kidwl enable, now firewalled. Do, sudo firewall cmd permanent, add service SSOO. Do, sudo firewall cmd reload, verify. Sudo UFW status numbered, verify. Sudo firewall cmd list all. Step 5, rate limit brute force. Do, sudo apt DNF install fail to ban Y. Do, sudo system ctl enable, now fail to ban. Do, create, etc. fail to ban jail.local with shd enabled, zone true, ban time, jo1h, find time, zone 10 mir max retry, zone 5. Do, restart fail to ban, verify, sudo fail to ban client status sshd. Step 6, kill noisy services, fewer exposed daemons, fewer problems. Do, sudo ss, tulpn to list listeners. Do, if you don't need it, sudo system ctl disable, now. Verify, run ss, tulpn again, port should be gone. Step 7, auto security updates. Do, Debian Ubuntu, sudo apt install unattended upgrades. Y, sudo dpkg reconfigure unattended upgrades. Do, rel Fedora, sudo DNF. Install DNF automatic. Y. Sudo systemctl enable. Now DNF automatic.timer. Verify. Systemctl list timers. grep I automatic. Verify. Check var log unattended upgrades. Step 8. Logs and alerts. Do sudo journal ctl p3s 24h for errors. Do install logwatch or set up net data. Verify. Trigger a test login and confirm you get an alert or see the entry in logs. Bonus. Use a cloud firewall. Bonus. Enable 2FA for SSH, Google Authenticator. Bonus. Enable 2FA, PAM Oath. Bonus. Separate admin from app users. That's a secure baseline. Patched. Key only. SSH. Firewall. Brute force protection. Minimize services. Automatic updates. Visibility. Lock it in, then iterate.